searching for love, looking for something that lives inside me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a VPART wig install. So this VPART wig is from UNicehair. So thank you to UNicehair for sponsoring today's video. This wig is going to be super easy to install. Like I said, it is a VPART. This wig, we're not going to be doing any leave out. So we're going to try to get this VPART to look as natural as we can. This is the wig, y'all. We already did the unboxing. So as y'all can see, this wig has 4 combs at the top and a comb at the back, and it also has 2 combs on the side right here. Because this is a VPART and we're not going to be using any glues or sprays, those combs are going to be super important for this install. You guys can see this hair, I did not wash it. This is straight out of the box. It's really pretty though, the curls, but we're going to be cutting this hair, shaping it, and defining the curls and all that good stuff. So I just put some bobby pins in my braids, and this is typically how I wear my hair under my wig. I don't usually do cornrows. I used to, but I just find this to be easier for me. So I kind of just do like small box braids, which is going to be perfect for this install. I forgot to show y'all in the video, I ended up doing it off camera, but to also make the part as natural as possible, you can take pieces from the wig and wrap it under the band to hide where the wig starts, and it's going to give you a completely super natural look.
No flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I found me a new foundation. Taking my new salvation.
Right now I'm just trying to shape this wig to my head, and this is the part that I hate, y'all, because I really don't know what I'm doing. But I kind of just go by looking where I want to add layers. With curly wigs, I like for them to like shape my face a little more, and I like for them to give volume. I don't like for my curly wigs to just be dull. I'm just going in, seeing where I can layer it and add some shape, because the shape is going to bring this wig to life. I don't know, I just hate doing this part, y'all, because I'm just so afraid of messing up the hair. But so far, it's looking pretty cute. Giving very much natural. This is before I put any product in this hair, and it already is looking super good. I'm gonna go back in a little bit and fix my part. I'm gonna fluff this out a little bit more. The hair so far, y'all, like, do y'all see this? It looks so good. Hopefully the back is even. I can't see it right now. Now, before I get into the part again, because like I said, I am gonna fix this up, I'm gonna start defining this hair. Take this brush, my Cantu activator cream, might use some mousse, I don't know yet, and my water bottle.
flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside. Motivation. I done found me a new foundation. Yeah. Taking my new salvation.
Alright y'all, so that was everything for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I just want to say that this hair just looks so natural. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. Thank you UNicehair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Get